Do you want to translate text from another app without opening Google Translate every time? Google Translate has a feature called Tap to Translate. When it's enabled, you can translate text directly from the notification panel. Let me show you how to use it. To enable Tap to Translate, first open Google Translate app. Tap the profile icon at the top right. Then tap Setting. Tap Tap to Translate. Now enable Use Tap to Translate. When this feature is on, you will see a notification that says Tap to Translate is on the notification panel. Next, to use Tap to Translate, open other app as the example WhatsApp. Select some text and copy it. Next, open the notification panel, then tap the Tap to Translate is on notification. As you can see, a floating translator will appear. Paste the copied text into the text box. By default, the search language is set to auto-detected. Tap the right arrow icon to translate the text. If needed, you can also change the target language if you want to translate to another language. When you are done, drag down the floating translator to close it. And you can open it again anytime from the notification panel. So, given to the function, this feature is very useful when translating text from other apps without switching back and forth. It saves time and keeps your workflow simple. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.